What's up, YouTubes? We got a review here going down. Let's try to taste. This is what we got: 9-pin New York's first farm cidery 9-pin signature cider. Let's see, we got it. 12-ounce can, 6.7%. That's pretty big. Pretty big percent. Pretty big. Can only have two. Otherwise my wife gets upset with my behavior. Oh well. Fuck her, you know what I'm saying, guys that live with this kind of shit? Anyway, let's get cracking. Let's take sips. That's pretty good. Well, let's see. You can't really taste the alcohol. 6.7%. Pretty high. Pretty high. Pretty high. Excuse me. That's pretty high for ciders, you know. And you know, it comes from New York. New York is, you know, it's known. It's the Empire State. It's the Apple State. It's got the big apples. You get huge apples. You get huge apples from New York. Big sips. Yeah, but what you know about them apples, though? New York apples. So many kinds. They only. I wonder what kind. Granny Smith, Macintosh. What they put in this? I don't know. Maybe I should read this to you. You guys probably maybe read it. Yeah, it's not gonna focus. Excuse me. Yeah, it's pretty carbonated. I got the sniffles and the hiccups. Too much Coke. Yeah, let me read it to you like a story times. Nine Pin's mission is to support New York agriculture by producing quality craft ciders using 100% local New York apples and fruit. Okay, is there anything? Do they put fruit in this? Or was it just apples? It's kind of fucked up. I wish they told me that. Our signature blend is sourced entirely from the orchards in the Capital District and Hudson Valley. It's fermented with a white wine yeast to enhance its crisp and refreshing character. Ingredients: NY apples, New York apples, sugar. That's it. Contains sulfites. Kind of a gay can. I mean, I could walk down the street and some police would say, that's not booze. What's that? Wait, hey, man, what are you drinking? It looks good. It's a green can. What's in it? It's not a Heineken. It's too skinny for that. It kind of looks like my dick. You thought my other video, we're cooking a chicken. I said I got a little dick. I wasn't kidding. It kind of looks like this, except short. Kind of like my pinky. Yeah. Anyway, enough about my dicks. So is there anything else to say? Oh, taste, flavor profile. Let's go. Taste again. It's very light. It's very crisp. Crisp. Crispy. Crisp. They sold this in a 4-pack. I got it for $13.95 for a 4-pack, 12 ounces. In my opinion, although 6.7%, which is pretty high, pretty good, pretty. I'm already feeling it. Whoa, my head. Whoa, my head. Whoa, spins. I wouldn't pay that price again for this. No, I'd rather drink. What was it? Well, I'd really just drink what my wife tells me and buys. Sucks. So I'm kind of sneaking this one in. Doesn't care what I cook. She cares about what I drink, how it makes me act, how it makes me feel. Makes me feel. She's asleep. So, let's have another taste. Some asthma for you guys. Asthma. Whoops. You can see inside the can. Focus. Fuck. Really, guy? I just fucking did that? Jesus, fuck me. Ugh. I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna finish this in 10 minutes. 6.7%. Man, my head woo. My head woo. It's going. It's going. And it's going. You know how fucking hot it is? Not in here. I got AC. Outside this whole week, it's been averaging 90 degrees. And I got really thick glasses, so I stepped outside and the heat, it just hit my face. It was like whop. Just a big whop on my face. And my glasses just fogged up. And I couldn't even walk to my car. Couldn't see shit. I tripped on my grass. My neighbor saw me do that. I stained my jeans with grass. It's fucking embarrassing. Sometimes, you know, you're just born that way, I guess. I was just going out to get the mail and fucking tripped. And fucking neighbors were laughing at me, drinking beers, calling me a dork. You know how that feels? Anyway, I don't care. My neighbors are cool guys. Cool. Sometimes I cut their lawn. That's okay though. I just wish they didn't call me a dork. It brings back memories. Okay. We're not there yet. Done. 10 minutes. At least the crush is nice, you know? Look at that crush. Can you do that? Crush can. Yeah. Anyway, thank you YouTube for watching. If you have any questions, obviously write it down in the comments. I'd like to know what you think. If you've had this, let me know what you think. If you work for 9pin, drop a line down. I'll tag you guys. This is an unbiased video. It's not sponsored. I don't get sponsored by anybody. So yeah, thanks. Next vid, maybe a cook. Maybe I'll cook some shit. Maybe, I don't know. I got a pizza. I might sneak another one of these. My wife's asleep, so maybe enjoy some of that. Okay, bye.